Gabon closed its border with Cameroon after the attempted ouster of President Ali Bongo on Monday. Internet service in Gabon has been cut and a curfew ordered in the capital. Chinese police say at least one person was killed after an oil transport ship caught fire near Hong Kong. French Prime Minister Edouard Philippe says his government plans to take firm action against anti-government protesters. And U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo arrives in Jordan on the first stop of a week-long visit to the Middle East.